There's a building in Manchester that time forgot. No crowds, no music, no noise, just empty pools and echoes. This is Victoria Baths. This wasn't just a swimming pool, it was a palace. Built in the early 1900s, Victoria Baths was once one of the most luxurious public baths in the country. A place where ordinary people came to feel extraordinary. For many, this was the first place they ever learned to swim. The first place they ever felt clean, warm, and equal. Imagine the sound back then. Water splashing, children laughing, voices bouncing off tiled walls. These pools were alive. People didn't come here just to wash. They came to connect, to escape hard days, to feel human. But time moved on. Indoor bathrooms became normal. The city changed, and slowly, the water drained away. In 1993, the doors closed. What was once full of life became quiet. Not abandoned, just waiting. Walking through Victoria Baths now feels emotional. Every empty pool feels like a memory. You start imagining the people who once stood here, cold mornings, warm water, shared moments. It reminds you that buildings don't just hold bricks, they hold lives. Today, Victoria Baths is being carefully preserved, saved by people who believed it still mattered. Because places like this shouldn't disappear. They remind us who we were and how far we've come. Victoria Baths isn't empty, it's full of echoes.